What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XRP. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm currently planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think XRP is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Here I am watching two main areas. The first one is this bearish order block area, which is between levels 2.34 and 2.29. And the second area is this bullish order block area, which is between levels 1.91 and 1.88. First long position that I will be talking about will be valid in case of another retest of this bullish order block. So if there will be a drop which will have around like 11% of a net market, then I will be planning to open here a long position. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So in this case, I am waiting for a liquidity grab under this level, so under the level 1.88, which means that we will take important liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and if after that there will be a support confirmation, this will be absolutely amazing long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so let's assume the stop loss will have like 4% of a net market, and the last take profit target you can place above this bearish order block area. The reason why I am placing the last take profit targets above is that, in my opinion, once we will take liquidity in this bearish order block area, so we will get above the level 2.54, there is pretty high probability that we are also gonna take liquidity above this area, because there will be many stop losses, because a lot of people who will be opening some short positions in these areas, they will probably put their stop losses above this bearish order block or above this previous high. So for example, we can place the last take profit target also above this high, which will give us potential risk to reward up to 10.6, and that's, in my opinion, really great. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, because then you can manage your position really well. So some of the profits you want to take, for example, like under this low, under this previous lows, this bearish order block, above this bearish order block, under this bearish order block area, and then you can place some back to a last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 10.6, the risk reward ratio will be like 7.2, 7.3, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great. The main problem that I have with this trading scenario is that once we are gonna retest this area, there is also some probability that, like in those like two previous cases, this coin can just skyrocket back up. So there will be no room for that support confirmation. So if you want, you can just place here a limit order with a stop loss, like for example, like under this previous low, so under the level approximately 1.824, yeah, something like that. So the stop loss will have like 5%. But in this trading scenario, if there will be, let's say, a huge liquidity grab, you will for example get stopped even if the market will eventually go up. So in this case you need to have either a really big stop loss, which will decrease your risk reward ratio, or simply you need to take here a higher risk. So in this case, your last take profit targets, again, you can place it like above this high, and the risk reward ratio will only depend on the stop loss that you will take. For example, like 10% stop loss can be enough in case of some, let's say, smaller liquidity grab, but the risk reward ratio will be then only like 4.1. so if you will take multiple take profit targets, you will get risk reward ratio 3, which is much lower than the risk reward ratio in the previous trading scenario. So you always need to decide what setup you want to take. And if you, for example, want to know about the exact setups that I'm taking, or if you simply don't want to watch these charts on your own, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. On the other hand, if the market will continue to go up and we are gonna retest this bearish order block, then in case of a breakout and then support confirmation, you can also use this area, which is between levels 2.33, as I said, and 2.29 approximately. you can use this as a long opportunity as well, because in the long time this coin is in the heavy uptrend. I don't want to open here any of the short trades, because yeah, the probability is against you, and as a traders we are always counting with the highest probability possible. So in this case, again, your last take profit targets above this high, which will give you potential risk to reward like 6.17, because stop loss in this case you want to place under this area, because again, if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And if you want to take your higher risk and have, for example, better risk reward ratio, because right now we are not entering on like these lower prices, but we are entering much higher, you can place your last take profit target like under this high, or if you really want, you can place it like under $3.5 mark, which is next important psychological resistance. But speculating for a 50% profit with stop loss like 2.7% is really risky. So again, once you will take some of the profits, for example, under these previous highs, move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. If we are gonna take a look on the higher time frame, then on the 4-hour chart we are forming this triangle. In this case, this is more likely a bullish setup. So in the long time perspective, I'm expecting that we are simply gonna break like this resistance and we are gonna go up. But on the 1-hour chart, we can actually combine it with the bullish order block that I showed you. So if there will be a liquidity grab under this area, and there will be, for example, a retest of this bullish order block and then support confirmation in this triangle, you can use it as a potential long opportunity as well. And again, in this case, stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. And here, because we are on the 4-hour chart, you can place your last take profit target under like $3.5 mark, or if you want, you can place it under like $4 mark, because once we will break this high and we will get into a price discovery phase, which will happen above $3.5 mark, because that's the current all-time high, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that the coin will go slightly higher for a liquidity grab. So speculating for like $3 mark or like 3.95, 3.93, something like that is only reasonable. So yeah, this can be another setup that you can watch. And in the long time perspective for this bull market, I still think that it's possible that XRP is gonna hit around like 5.5 or like $5 to $6 mark, something like that. And definitely let me know in the comments what are the exact prices that you think XRP is gonna hit, so we can talk about it. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And as I said, if you, for example, want to help with trading, or you don't want to watch these charts on your own, then simply don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there like these analysis every single day, and link to join is, as I said, as in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.